like and subscribe.
Okay, we'll do a couple of songs. Oh, this is from 3 years ago. Again, already different from the other ones. Jesus, man. Her range. Styles, man. Already, dude, already into the playlist. That's crazy. Holy night drive vibes. That's what I'm getting, dude. Like in Cyberpunk, obviously I gotta mention Cyberpunk. A day doesn't go by if I don't mention my Lord and Savior, Cyberpunk. I was just chilling, driving down. Obviously, you ought to drive down like Copper Plaza or something. Holy. Flanger Moose.
You're sorry, so stay a little longer. The levee is broken, gotta be a little stronger. Have we been here before? I can't take any more of the story you made. So tired of it all, I'll let the raindrops fall.
So melancholic, man. Oh, I just want to end stream now and like lay in bed and listen to this for like hours on end on loop. Song so big. You're right, man. Holy. God, man. I wish I had my bike, dude. I would have like so many other songs because they're like night drive songs, really. Dude, I'd cruise around. Probably a good thing, man. I don't have my bike anymore. I'm more depressed, so I'm more likely to want to like fucking drive off something. She did K-pop Demon Hunters free? Oh my god, I need to listen to that next. I have to, man. I want to search who this guy is. Guy or girl. Dudette. Okay. They did the music then? Or was it Oh, it is the music and mix. Oh, damn. What do they have? Some rock shit.
All my ambition is stuck inside my throat again. Got nowhere else to go but the gutters in my head. I think my mind says could use a reset, but when I try to rewire, it sets my nerves on fire. I let my soul inspire. I don't wanna be.
Damn. There's just people out here like fucking. Dude, you can just make music. Like, what the fuck? I like Vocaloid. Oh, okay. That makes sense. That's why it sounded. I didn't want to speculate, but it did sound like a Vocaloid. Watch me be wrong, and that's like the only song where like they decided to sing. Sweet.